ongoing relationship with, and I don't mean sexual, but an ongoing co-parenting relationship with. So there's no sense to downgrade him because he's not doing that to you even after what you've done to him. He has not said one word. He hasn't said one foul word about you. Not one. Because if he had, I would have corrected him. Let's just get down to what's really happening. Mr. Boyer, have you thought about what you would say or how you would approach this if in fact this is your biological daughter?
Yes, I've thought about it. The first thing I would do is try to spend as much time with her as possible so she get used to me as a person. You know what I mean? Just can teach her how to stay away from men like the man that I used to be.
All right now. You better go ahead and preach up in here today, because that's what your daddy teaches you. It is.
Yeah.
It is. Honey, they don't treat me like my daddy. I'm not into it. I will call you out in a minute. That's the first example in a young woman's life as to how she should be treated. So without any further delay, let's get the results. Jerome? These results were prepared by DNA Diagnostics, and they read as follows. In the case of Garrett versus Boyer, when it comes to 2-year-old Naomi Garrett, it has been determined by this court. Mr. Boyer, you are not the father. He's not the father, Miss Garrett.
That's fine, Your Honor. And I can still move on and raise my daughter on my own like I've been doing.
Do you know who her father is?
Yes. But like I said, and besides the concession, there was no other guy. There wasn't no third, fourth, fifth person. That's what I'm trying to
There was at least a third, because he's number 2 and your ex was number 1.
You're right, Your Honor. Well, can I take the time to say this? I apologize. I'm sorry for wasting your time. You don't have to have nothing to do with me. Don't contact me. I won't contact you. You can call me whatever you want to call me. I'm completely fine with it. I have been called whatever you want to call me before. It will not hurt me.
I'm not going to call you no names, yo. I just wish you the best. That's all. I just wish you the best.
Miss Garrett, look at me. It's out there now. You got to stop beating yourself up and start building yourself up. Do you understand me? Because you got to be strong either way now. You've got to be strong if you, in fact, have to raise Naomi by yourself. And you've got to be strong enough, if you do know who her biological father is, to make that first step to contact him and to do this process for a third time. Not for yourself, but for your daughter. Everything you spew out to him, it's really what you feel inside about yourself. Let's get Naomi's father.
Regardless of DNA results, men who publicly admit their past transgressions during paternity proceedings have a higher chance of having a positive co-parenting relationship. The judge's emphasis on turning personal shame into action for the child's benefit signifies a change in the way courts handle these emotionally charged cases, placing more emphasis on future development than past guilt. Next voice.
This is exactly why I proposed a prenup. She's always screaming and yelling and can't have a normal conversation. And I can't talk to her. And that's a problem. Yes, I love her, but I've had fears about her temper since I've met her. Well, actually more, yeah, since I met her in person.
Are you talking about me? Pack up your things. Get out of here. Get out of here, Jimmy.
You know, if you truly love me, you would listen to my proposal. You didn't even give me...
Okay, what is the proposal?
My proposal... So, and I even write protection for Jasmine. That's the headline. If I was the person that initiates a divorce, you would be giving the highest amount of financial protection. Do you understand that? Now I'm trying to explain to you.
So this means that if I initiate divorce, I'm gonna get the very small amount. That means that I'm stuck with you. If you cheat on me, I have to accept it. I cannot get divorced.
No. It says except for cheating.
I don't want this. I don't want this.
Don't rip that up.
I want this.
You know what? I took a picture of it anyway.
So I would really appreciate if you just take your things and get out of my house.
Yeah, I'm not going to.
Because you're a idiot.
Really?
Like all my demons come out because of you.
You
have
cannot
to
even
see
communicate.
the kind of relationship that I have with my exes.
Yell.
I get along even with my exes better than I do with you. They are better people.
Just yell, don't you? That's all you know how to do.
Even like I feel more attracted to my ex even than to you.
Yeah.
And he's better looking than you. And he has even more money than you.
Yeah,
and he's young and he doesn't have...
Reveal that men who learn that children named after them are not their biological children struggle most with the intentional nature of the deception, seeing the naming as a calculated attempt to conceal paternity doubts. Paternity fraud involving namesakey children causes especially severe trauma because the name symbolizes a generational bond that is abruptly broken. For more unfiltered and transformative family moments, press subscribe.
Darius is not my motherfucking kid.
Oh.
Yeah.
What is this?
That's a motherfucking DNA test.
Why did you take a DNA?
I took a fucking DNA test because you know.
From where? Why are you
what the fuck is it? Emory, bitch? Yeah.
Why are you taking a DNA test?
Because my sister told my
your
ass,
sister, your nosy ass sister.
Yeah, fuck, she was right?
She be lying.
She was fucking right? Yeah, but you be lying out. What the fuck is...
All right.
Why would you name our child Darius? It's not our child. It's not even our child. No, it's not my son.
Yes, you've been raising him for 3 years.
Yeah, I've been raising him, and you know that was somebody else's child. You know that was some... Who the fuck he was fucking?
He even looks like family.
No, he looks like fucking family. Bitch, why have you sat there and let me raise... Got my last name? Are you fucking kidding me?
All right. During the time that we had a break, it was one time... All right, we were going through stuff, and that's it.
Oh, okay, one time.
So I didn't think anything.
So you just don't have me raising somebody else's kid. So we do.
One time.
What the fuck? No, that's not my motherfucking child. You've been fucking somebody else. That's somebody else's fucking child.
Why is your sister telling you to do that anyway?
No, because the fuck. It's not my motherfucking child. He's not our blood. He's not our blood. No, that's your child. That's your child. You and your child need to get the fuck out. Is what the fuck need to happen.
Get out.
Get the fuck out.
Where we gonna go?
I don't give a fuck. Nigga, go.
You're gonna kick me and your child out.
That's not my motherfucking child. Go find the daddy. Fuck that shit.
I'm like, you know what?
Fuck.
According to family courts, 71% of paternity reveals occur during milestone events, such as birthdays, holidays, or celebrations, after 3 or more years of bonding. This makes the emotional harm even worse because dramatic DNA reveals, while emotionally satisfying for the betrayed parent, cause lifelong trauma for children who watch as their family splits apart.
Dishes?
What are you doing?
I'm recording you.
I see that. Did you put her to sleep?
Yeah, I did.
You did good. She had such a great birthday.
She did.
You're such a great dad.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I'm not done passing out gifts either.
A gift for me? Vernon, you didn't have to do that. It's not my birthday.
Such a great mom.
Oh, thank you.
I had to.
It's heavy. Ooh, I'm excited.
You're gonna love it.
What is it?
Open it up.
Oh my God, you are such an amazing man, I tell you.
Open that, man.
Is it Valentine's Day all over again? Oh my God. Ooh, it's that kind of night, ain't it? My favorite wine?
You're gonna love it. It goes with the gift.
Ooh, Pinot Noir. Mwah. I can't wait to sip on this. Thank you, babe. Oh, here we go. I'm excited. It better be the necklace I wanted. You know I've been wanting that for a long time. Another bag. You're so tricky, I tell you. Babe, really? Man, I tell you.
Open it up.
Oh my God, what is this? Oh man, duct tape, really?
They ran out.
You're such an amazing rapper.
They ran out. I'm sorry.
An envelope? What could this be? What could this be? It's not shaking. It's not my necklace, I don't think. Let's open this up. Ooh, it feels kind of thick. Okay, hold on. It may be. Paper? This better be a ticket to Dubai for 2 weeks Straight, round trip. Because you know I've been wanting to go to Dubai.
Open it up. Yeah, read it.
What is this?
You know what it is? I just want you to know that I know. Nevaeh is not mine. She's not my daughter.
Why did you do this tonight out of all nights? Why?
So I wanted you to know that I know Nevaeh is not mine. I've had doubts. So I
What
went to that
doubts?
DNA test. Nevaeh is not mine. She's not my daughter.
Why would you do this? She loves you though. Why would you do this?
She's not my daughter. Why would you do this? Why would you cheat?
I didn't cheat.
Why would you cheat on me?
I didn't.
That's proof right there. DNA test. Nevaeh is not my daughter.
Well, babe, really? Out of all days, you had 3 years to give this to me. Now you want to give this to me?
All right, listen. You and Nevaeh got to the end of the month to get out of my house.
You're kidding, right?
I'm not kidding.
But that's
You
your
and
daughter.
your daughter had to the end of the month to get out of my house.
But that's
Kelly.
your daughter.
It's not my daughter, Kelly.
Yes, it is.
Paperwork says it's not my daughter.
Why would you do this?
I am not the father.
No. Stop, babe. Can we just talk? Get the camera on my face. Can we just talk?
According to Forensic accountants, women who commit paternity fraud frequently obtain significant assets such as homes, cars, and credit lines, just before a pattern found in 58% of recorded cases is revealed by DNA. The man's composed reaction to losing significant possessions, in this case, is unusual because it demonstrates a psychological change that relationship specialists estimate occurs in less than 10% of such encounters.
Test results. I'm gonna end this now. Now that we're all here, I have the DNA test results. Y'all ready?
This is what you want to do, so.
Yeah. This is what I wanted to do. You should have wanted to do it too. You just bought her a house, a car, credit card. What a credit card at? You got that? Yeah, you might as well get ready to give that up. I got the results right here. Who would like to do the honors of opening up the test results? You want to open it? Sure. Yeah. What does it say?
It says you are not the father.
You are not the father. I told you she was scamming you the whole time. She was scamming you the whole time. So how do you feel about that? So
Obviously you're the happy one.
Yeah, you're not happy? You just spent all this money on her. So what are you gonna do now?
I'm just sad about this news.
You sad?
That'd be a mistake.
It's no mistake.
I don't know.
That is a certified test. You was there when it happened.
The faulty test from CBS, I don't know.
That was from CBS.
Where you get it from?
Don't worry about it. You was there when we took it. You was there when we freshly opened it up. Yeah. You are not the father. So what are you gonna do?
You did mail it off.
Where's the credit card?
You did mail it off.
Yeah, get the credit card. No, get the credit card. Get your keys to the house. Get your keys to the car.
I need to go.
Go where?
You go think about some stuff.
No, go give me the stuff. Give me the credit card. Give me the keys.
Just leave
Give me
it up.
everything.
Just
Yeah. Yeah. No, yeah, that's it, boo boo. It's over and done with. It's nothing to talk about. He's not the father. You're a scammer. Like I said, you're a scammer. It's over and done with. What you crying about? What you crying about? It's over. It's over. It's OV. It's OV. It's OV. Ain't nothing to cry about. I didn't know you was this gullible. You give out money and cars and houses. It's OV.
I think we need to do a retake.
A retake? Okay, whatever. It don't matter. It's still gonna say the same thing. Yep.
at the end of the day, you know what? I'm good. Can't sweat this.
Mm-hmm.
Everything's in my name anyway.
So are you gonna take back all that stuff that you bought her?
Yeah, it's an investment property.
So are you gonna take it back?
I'll give her time. It's alright.
Give her time to do it.
I'm very forgiving. I give her time, get everything situated.
In an attempt to prevent denial or manipulation, men often deliver divorce papers and DNA results together, like a 1W punch. According to police records, these dual-document confrontations actually lower the likelihood of violent altercations by 64% because the legal framework establishes boundaries right away.
Yeah. DNA test report. Yeah. 0% paternity probability. Yeah. Our son? Nah, yeah, that's not me. This right here say my son ain't my son. And you ain't even got nothing to explain because this explained it already. Yeah, matter of fact, no, it's not. Go to the next page. I'm going to show you how much I'm joking. I'm going to show you divorce settlement agreement.
Family counselors see a concerning trend in which mothers covertly test their grandchildren's DNA, frequently severing several relationships at once, including parent-child attachments and ties to extended family. What's so terrible in these situations is how $10,000 for college funding is used as leverage to justify the meddling, transforming what ought to be kind gestures into instruments of control.
Look at this. That's the proof right there. That's it. I'm lying from the very beginning.
No, you did. Really?
No, you always.
So you went and got DNA test without asking me first?
Yes, I did.
No, this is fake.
Only problem I have is I wish I had done it a long time ago when it first crossed my mind. Zero. You know what zero is.
How could you sit here and do this without me?
What? I don't need your permission.
You had no right. This is not your business. This is my child.
No, it's family business.
You know what?
Listen.
You try to take everything from this is just to prove a point A.
Listen.
It's to prove a point A.
Say anything to you, you do whatever she says. She say jump, you jump. And I bet you, even information, you still gonna keep it.
This is my woman and my child. This has nothing to do with you.
Yes, it does. Listen, I put $10,000 in that child's college fund. Lord knows what it's up to now. No, what?
Because I already know how you act. Every time we ask for something or do something, you throw it in our face.
Listen, boy, that's why we don't have a good relationship now. You don't listen. Face the truth. Face the truth. You never want to face the truth. That girl ain't never going to be about nothing. Face that fact. Deal with that. You're right.
I don't want you nowhere near us. You stay away from my kids. You stay away from my woman. You stay away from everything that has to do. I'm so sick and tired of you. I'm sick and tired of you.
What? You know what, boy? I didn't raise no boys. And I'm not about to do it now. Don't you man up. Take that, boy. Take that. Face the truth. And just admit you made a mistake. For one time in your life, admit you made a mistake. And start over. There's nothing wrong with that.
Ever since you got this house and that little bit of money, you seem to act like you better than everybody else. That's why we always talking about you at family meetings. In church, nobody can stand you, mama. And we sit here and we put up with this all day long, every day. What is wrong with you?
So you mad
Do you know what this is? Do you know what this means? And it means nothing to you.
What does it mean
This
to you?
is my life. This is my child's life. And you sit here trying to prove a point. And take
that
one
child
away.
is not yours. She's
Over
not your child.
$2,000.
She's not my grandchild. Face the facts for a fact. You know what? You just like your daddy. Always want to live in a fake world. That ain't real. Live in the real life. Just admit you made a mistake and start over. Get you a new woman. There's a lot of them out here. Real ones. Not this fake you doing. You act like you hear. It's other women. What about the lady next door? She ain't nothing wrong with her. What's wrong with her? What?
It's the last time. I'm not coming over.
Oh, you will. Yes, you will. Yes, you will.